Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So finally we are going to start new debate competition. ये debate competition होने जा रहा है ऐसे दो व्यक्तियों के बीच जो कि बहुत ही फनी है, जैसे कि मयंक और इधर एक बैठा हुआ है मेरे नीचे अनंत ओके सो ये डिबेट कंपटीशन होने वाला है तारा मेहता का उल्टा चश्मा वर्सेस सीआईडी. सो 1v10 ये भी होने वाला है, सो एंजॉय कीजिए. ओके
So we are choosing CID.
and I will talk on PMKOC.
shall we?
So Tarak Mehta Ka Ulta Chashma have many repetitive ideas. They don't have new ideas. But in CID they have different new stories and different cases also.
But that stories of CID make people's tension in serious situation.
They tell that it can be happen by you. So be aware.
But it's a lot of big cases and many people can't face it.
So okay. So what will the Tarak Mehta teach?
That teaches a lot of things: unity, respect of elders, and environmental awareness. And it can't teach the CID.
There are many rallies going on which will teach you about environment and treating, and it's your parents' job to teach you that you should respect your elders and that thing.
But if
if you are have to watch TV for that to learn, you need to respect your elders. Then it's your parents' fault, I guess.
but what if
Or also CID is teaching you the logic. Like if you ever like trap in something situation like that, you are accused of any crime and like that, then how would you escape that type of thing?
but it shows a lot of cases, but many people can't face it, and many people did not disturb in that situations,
Like what?
like crimes and somebody died
So,
with arrows and
Who is
blood.
disturbing?
People can't face it. A lot of
Who can't face it?
I can't face it. Many people can't face it.
What can you face it?
If I
Just clear your point.
example that is somebody is traveling,
Yeah.
but in the CID says that somebody is traveling and arrow comes from somewhere unknown arrow come
Yeah.
and it will come in the heart
Yeah.
and he will die. But in the real life it doesn't happen.
Why can't it be? If you are being assassinated by a shooter or a professional like someone thing,
But
then
you said the
will
number
be,
in the CID all episode it shows. It's not a repetition.
Okay.
no.
So you are
Yeah.
saying that in CID there is no logic.
No, I did not say it.
So what's your point?
It's a logic. It's a logical, but it doesn't show that comedy is always with logic to solve our problems.
It's a thriller show, not a comedy show.
So what? But it should be show that that how can our small problems can solve.
And in CID there is a character, a doctor. What is his name? Saluge. It's a character in the CID.
Yeah.
So he also type of a comedy character.
And but there is only one character in CID.
No, there are many characters.
How many characters are there? There are only a lot. There are little characters in the CID.
No, there is the character of Radix.
Tell me the number that how many characters are there.
Officer Pankaj,
Give me the fixed
They
data
are
that how
also
many people are
funniest.
there in CID which are very comedian.
And sometimes Daya and Avijit also
Yeah.
do comedy.
There are only 5 to 6. There are only 5 to 6.
The famous dialogue of that CID is to that Abhijit said to Daya, let's break the door.
So what?
That's famous dialogue.
So what in the Tarak Mehta there are many famous dialogues.
It's a comedy dialogue.
So you know the dialogue as at the top.
You are asking about like it is like repetitive and does not have comedy.
Yeah.
Your point is that.
Yeah.
But CID was made for that thing to teach people how to like overcome the situation you face when you get in a situation like you have been police is arresting you because you have murdered someone, then how will escape that situation?
But see the
It
number
was
that
meant
how
to
many people
teach
face
you
this
that.
type of problems.
There are many kind of problems can happen, like like in Tarak Mehta, you will just be taught that how to live with your family. That can you that is like you can learn it by yourself. Can't you live with your family? It just teach you like how to live with your family and connect with other people. That's all.
It TMQC doesn't show. Tarak Mehta doesn't show this. Admittedly, in the Tarak Mehta Gokul Dham society, there are a lot of people which belong to other states with other religions. They live
Yeah.
together like a
Yeah.
family.
But
But
India is a
CID
country,
it doesn't show.
India is a country where people live with different religion, different.
But you will not see.
states.
But you will not see the peoples that Bengali peoples and Tamil Nadu peoples and Kashmir peoples are living together like a family at a single place. But in the Gokul Dham, they live.
But that's the point of Tarak Mehta. Tarak Mehta just teach you like how to live with other people.
It doesn't show only this.
But CID will teach you how to deal with the situations like in a fearsome situation.
Tarak Mehta also shows how to deal with others' problems.
For any example, any episode.
There are many people that somebody fraud with others and how to cure problems. And
Like
Tarak Mehta.
I just remembered an
Listen.
episode like Tarak Mehta. Who was that? Jethalal just Jethalal scammed like 300 crores of from bank and just run away.
Yeah, that.
Then this is a teaching. They are teaching you to scam bank and run away.
And let me tell you, you didn't see the full episode of this.
And adding a point,
Yeah.
and it also teach the flooding.
Because okay.
Babita ji.
Okay. But this shows comedy. And in the CID, also people also flirt girl with the real life. Like Sarika. And remember people. And there are many scenes in CID which are unwanted to see kids.
No.
Kids can't see with their family.
It was meant to see kids. It was age restricted.
Yeah.
You haven't known.
And let me tell you, Tarak Mehta doesn't age restrict.
It is 7 year plus. It is.
Okay, but it's before 7 age, people can't understand that. He didn't know how to speak.
So CID is
How
also.
he will-
So CID is also.
What is the age limit? What is the minimum age of CID watching? What is the minimum of to watch?
Yeah, it could be.
16 years. But a 13 years old kids can watch Tarak Mehta.
Have
I am giving an answer, not the point.
Have Tarak Mehta and any guild that world records?
World record? Asian Book of World Record.
No.
Asian Book
Yes.
Record. Limca. You don't know. CID doesn't have Limca.
CI.
I understand that Tarak Mehta didn't have. No,
But CID had
first, but
Yeah.
Tarak Mehta. CID got Guinness Book of World Record once time, but Tarak Mehta got happiness from heart every time and every episode.
So what is the
But-
biggest?
But it was made to
But it does.
Bro,
show was made to
Okay,
just laugh
okay,
at
okay.
it.
bro, do you know there are the episode which has no cuts, and that's the reason Tarak Mehta CID got a world record.
So what
There
he
are
did,
no cuts.
what he did by the non-stop cutting episode.
Non-stop.
Did he got popular?
Yes.
Did it got how much it has view?
It has more than the average views of
How much
CID
it has
episode.
views? How much more than it has view? First,
You are
listen,
talking about-
wait,
you are talking about the popularity.
wait.
Okay.
How much it has views nowadays?
We are agreeing that
So why you also don't know that how what is
we are
that?
agreeing that CID get less views and Tarak Mehta got more views.
You agree with my point?
But because of what? CID is age restricted to 16 plus, but Tarak Mehta is age restricted to 7 plus, and there are many children 7 plus to 16 which can watch Tarak Mehta but not CID. That's why.
So what is the point? What is the main reason of showing this point?
And also CID teaches you.
What do you mean to show in this
teaches
point?
you problems which you will face in your afterlife.
But Tarak Mehta shows the how to deal with small problems and also big problems.
CID teaches us how to do teamwork and in
Tarak Mehta
CID
doesn't show this.
they show
Okay.
and in CID we also get information, and it is very interesting because of there are a lot of cases that was mysterious.
Firstly, don't talk about the interesting. Tarak Mehta is more interesting. As you know, everyone
But
watch
it's
it.
in your opinion.
And it's not my opinion. It's whole India's opinion. Yeah.
Have you checked any reviews about CID?
Yes.
No.
So why?
Why
Because CID is not interested. That's why people did not review it.
How can you say that? How can you say that? You haven't saw any review of CID.
But CID doesn't have it much interesting. That's why people did not review it.
There are many reviews.
You want to
There are many reviews.
But you didn't know the views or reviews of Time City.
Many people are see the CID to enjoyment because sorry sir.
Or enjoyment CID.
Because in CID action, in Tarak Mehta don't have action.
So
Action
नहीं होता
action is not much important than comedy.
Yeah.
Action is already important.
If you are talking about the point, then you are saying that CID does not have comedy. Then Tarak Mehta does not have action too.
So what? Action
There
is
is
not
no
much.
action.
Action is not much important than comedy.
And comedy is
What
not
would you like?
acted,
What would you
not
like?
acted in
What would you
CID.
like? What would you like in your family? Fighting with together each other or
fighting. Fighting.
But in today's world, the person is like to watch action and thriller, not a comedy.
but only in movies. He didn't want in his family.
But
If let's suppose that in your family your parents will fighting each other, will you stop them or not? Answer in yes or no. Will you stop them or not?
Listen.
Give answer in yes or not.
If you are fighting with your brother,
Yeah.
will beat him?
No.
I have seen you beating him.
You didn't see. You didn't see. You didn't see us.
you will get beaten by him.
But I am talking about the parents. Will they fighting together? You will stop them or not?
But
Yes or not? Yes or not?
I'll stop.
I'll stop. Why? Because you don't like fighting.
No, I didn't say that.
Why? You do. You fight. You like fighting.
I don't like the fighting which is happening between the parents, between my family.
So
The fighting was happening. The fighting was happening in in shooting and in enemies and here and CID officers.
you said that CID has actions. Tell me any name of two characters which has action a lot.
The whole CID is about action. You are talking about
The
characters.
maximum person who do a lot of name of any two person. I'm talking about him.
But I will say no.
Okay.
You said that our father mother is fighting. We can stop him or her. When I interfere in his matter, he slapped me. You
It is because you are too small
you are too big.
and you have not power to stop them, and I can't do
So
this.
why you are asking unnecessary
First
questions?
talk with your elder brother.
I have no elder brother, no elder sister.
Talk to with your elder brother. If he will interrupt your parents, then they will not slap him.
I don't have any elder brother. Or
I'm not talking about your elder brother. I'm talking about your cousin.
I don't have any cousin.
So don't leave this. Don't talk about that point.
Give new point.
Give me a point. Let them give. Listen, you also watch CID. So tell me the name of any two characters.
Abhijit Singh and Abhijit and Daya.
And the family member of name is family name. Then the family members of name is
Family members of who?
Daya, Abhijit. Who's the family of Daya?
Remember name and debut.
Father of Daya. Mother of Daya.
And yeah, it haven't shown in CID.
So why he didn't show?
I'll give you the reason.
Why he didn't show?
I'll give you the reason.
Yeah,
Wait.
give the reason.
Where is hurting?
Give the reason.
Like CID was meant for CID officer. Then what's the work of CID officer's father in this field? What will he do?
He doesn't.
And what is the behavior that I'll give you the next point. At some point.
Next point. Okay.
At some point.
Okay. Give. I'm not thinking anything.
At some point, when Tarak Mehta was released before CID.
So what?
Okay. But at some point.
Continue.
At some point, CID crossed in views and in and in every kind of in every kind of field, it smashed Tarak Mehta's record. At that
Let me
point.
tell you that how CID beats Tarak Mehta. In the TRP of Tarak Mehta, you know the Tarak Mehta TRP of Tarak Mehta and CID.
What plot I
Let me tell you, the TRP of CID is 3.8 and the TRP of Tarak Mehta is 2.8. And he said,
at some point CID's TRP was more than
Yeah.
Tarak Mehta.
but I'm talking about the nowadays.
And you said about the facts. I'm talking about the facts.
I'm also talking about the facts.
Because
Then you can't compare them on the basis of TRP.
Why?
Because at some point CID has crossed their records too.
How? How much?
How much like they have crossed in every single field that is being measured in TRP.
Let me tell you first that CID is not beating Tarak Mehta in the talk about viewers.
Not now, but they
Not now and not also in
but
recent
they
times.
have beaten Tarak Mehta in past times.
How? In which field?
Every single thing.
Name any field that he is
In
beating.
views, in incomes, in
You know the views of
in
Tarak Mehta.
revenue, in anything.
So tell me the highest views of CID episodes. 508.
Million.
Approx 500.
And you know the views of Tarak Mehta.
I don't know.
Why you don't know?
Tell
You are
It
is.
you are not talking about TMQC. You
I am
are
talking.
just CID.
I am talking about GMQC.
बताओ
I am letting the view that highest views of Tarak Mehta episodes is 602 million approx.
It's just 100 million difference. That
You
doesn't
don't
matter.
know.
That
Why?
doesn't
Why?
even matter. If you are comparing in hundreds of millions, then 100 million doesn't even matter, bro.
100 million people doesn't matter. What are you saying?
Not views. Not views.
And the cost of
Even-
CID. What is the cost of CID? First, you are saying that. What is the budget of CID episodes and Tarak Mehta episodes?
I'm telling you something.
Answer my point first.
okay,
What is the budget of TMQC episodes and CID episodes?
I don't know the budget on and
You know.
I don't have to do anything about the budget that TMQ
Why?
and,
Why?
CID
If a person got too much fame in the low budget.
too much
so
fame
why?
in low budget. Where?
TMQC.
TMQC. What low budget?
Let me tell you the budget. Let me tell you the budget. The maximum budget of CID per episode is 20 to 25 lakhs, and the similar in the Tarak Mehta, the budget of one episode is 8 to 10 lakhs.
Listen.
In the lower budget.
Even the actors which are being like acting in that show TMQC, they are even charging like more than a lakh. Even every single episode, every single character, and if you count every single character in that show, then you will get to know it will surpass 25 to 30 lakhs.
So what I am talking about I am talking about the budget of episode, not the salary of them.
But actors are paid on the basis of episodes.
They have no need to know about the salaries of them.
Why not? You are including the salary
It's their
salary of
mindset. It's
actors
their
in
depend.
budget of CID.
It's depend on
Okay.
it's depend on them. It's
Which-
depend on them with how they will charge.
Yeah, but actors are
They charge a lot because their acting is too much.
No, uh,
But in Tarak Mehta sir, ka Ulta Chashma, there is only the place that limited places are. Because our topic is not Tarak Mehta ka Ulta Chashma. Our topic is CID. That's why. Okay, in that Tarak Mehta ka Ulta Chashma, there is only the limited places that's shown in that episode. But in that CID, because that only that Gokudam or the Chetala show.
You said that he don't sign on agreement, but people go anywhere from their mindset because he have right to freedom. Your director of TMQC goes against to constitution.
He is not to make all the channels. Why he is not paying? He knows that kids don't have need to know this.
listen, we are talking about like someone like the actor which is acting in that particular show is being mistreated. If you are talking like he is not human.
It's their personal life. They can do
It's their personal. It's a case.
So what if in your home your father and
You are not able to defend it. You are not able to defend it correctly. Like what I'm talking about. What time?
No, we are not.
We are not. Listen, we are.
We are talking about the facts.
But you are very out of the topic.
But listen, listen. We are not talking out of the topic because we are debating on TMKOC versus CID. It includes characters of that show and everything about that.
POC versus CID.
So why we are going out of the MQC and CID?
Why we are
How are we going? How are we going out of it?
CID cases. Why are you talking about the MQC?
Talk about it. We didn't show.
Because you didn't know, that's why you not say.
There hasn't been any case about CID. How can you talk about that?
and now also.
Tarak Mehta also has more flood than CID. Yes.
That happens. It also teaches you that if you are doing a job, then you can be mistreated too. It's a teaching.
Let me. 1 minute. One minute, sir. 1 minute. The only source for comedy. Only. Wait. Let me finish. They only saying for the comedy ways, but
In CID, Abhijit flirting Tarika, but Tarika is agree with his flirt. But in TMKOC, Babita don't know he is flirting me. Is one side flirt.